Well, hello, the group Fitfuminity. You just finished your upload of your app. So now let's have this interview to see how you felt about the collaboration between Swing2App and your student business program. Could you first introduce yourselves?
I'm Siana Morinova, I'm 21, and I'm the CEO of Fitfuminity.
So my name is Lorena. I'm 22 years old, the CFO of Fitfuminity.
Hey, my name is Konstantin. I'm one of the two persons involved in the creation of the app. We worked our way through the website of Swing2App and we managed to create what's nowadays called Fitfuminity on the stores.
At HZ University, you started building your own company and you created an app for your company. How much did you know about app building before you used this no-code app builder Swing2App?
Firstly, we were not familiar with app building, like nobody of our team has any knowledge about it. When starting this company, we also didn't have reach out to an IT specialist. So the collaboration with Swing2App was really a lifesaver for us, as without it, I don't think that we could have made the Fitfuminity app to the stores.
Do you feel then, without any knowledge of coding, you can now, with Swing2App, a no-code app builder, make a good-looking custom app?
For coding the application, for making it through a code, from writing it, to take more than a few months, and it will surely cost more than a few thousand, which was not what we could afford this time. Indeed, it was a life-saving situation since it was provided completely for free and it was quite user-friendly.
How did you feel about building the app with Swing2App?
With every website, I think it's kind of, you have to get to know it. What does work how and where do I find this? How can I connect things? Also on the website, there were a lot of question things where you could click on and see how do I do this? What are the steps? It just needs time, but at the end it gets kind of in a flow and you remember like how the steps work.
And were there any features you were surprised by, but you could add easily into it?
I would say the newsfeed. We tried, of course, to build a community, and with the newsfeed, it's kind of Instagram-like. You see when people are posting, you can comment, you can like it, you can upload videos, photos, or just text. So I think that was like the most important feature for us. What I was also surprised of was the calendar. I don't know, maybe it's a simple thing, but it's kind of cool to have a calendar in an app because it helps you to organize your stuff or whatever you want to use the app for. So.
In the beginning, we had the whole idea of Fitfuminity, how it would look. We only knew that we can upload the recipes and the training materials videos. The group chat was something that we didn't expect to have. We found out that there is already integrated system having chat rooms, which people can join and can text to each other.
And how did you guys feel about the communication between you yourself building the app and us as support from Swing2App?
For me, it was really nice. I mean, there was never more than half an hour of delay. As soon as we got a question, we found a solution to it.
We're always happy to hear that. Then do you think it's useful for keep offering this service to universities and collaborate with students who want to build their own company?
I think that you have to continue with this project offering to universities, as now apps are really modern and more people use apps instead of websites. So a no-coding app will be really profitable for you and also really useful for students that also want to be creative, because this platform really gives you a portal where you can create something very, very nice. As Konstantin said, if you have an idea and there is this intimidation with the coding, so this platform really gives you a chance to release your idea. So I would really suggest that you continue with that project. I think it's a great idea.
In my opinion, many students have the thought of building an application. They have ideas, but once they see Python or whatever coding language looks like, they end up being totally disappointed in their ideas, since it's quite hard to learn to code and to write something from scratch. I think it's a nice function to offer to the universities, make people aware that there is an easier way. And from there on, they can actually start developing their ideas instead of just having it on their mind.
I agree with all of them. In your job, you can say, okay, I really tried one time. I mean, I didn't code, but I understand what is happening in an app. How do I upload things in an app? So it really helps you in your future experience. So I think it's really important to continue this as well.
Guys, thank you so much for this interview.